Have you ever wondered if Parajumpers.it, the popular online store selling Parajumpers outerwear, clothing and accessories for men, women, and kids, is actually trustworthy? Or just another fancy-looking website ready to take your money? Well, today we're uncovering the truth behind this brand that's been around since 2005. At first glance, the website looks professional and polished, offering everything from winter jackets to sleek vests that seem built for both fashion and function. It even claims to represent the same Parajumpers brand known for its high-quality outerwear, which instantly builds curiosity. Their social media presence looks impressive too, with over 89K followers on Facebook and more than 121K on Instagram, giving the appearance of a well-established and reputable label. However, a deeper look raises a few mixed signals. While the brand has existed for years, not every customer seems happy. Some reviews highlight genuine satisfaction with the quality and warmth of the jackets, while others complain about late deliveries, unresponsive customer service, or receiving items that didn't match the pictures. The website does provide contact details, which is usually a good sign, but many customers still report slow responses or unresolved issues. These details make the whole situation a bit confusing. It's not an outright scam, but not a store you can trust blindly either. The long history of the brand and its large social media following suggests some legitimacy, yet the pattern of complaints and missing consistency in service quality leaves a question mark. In short, Parajumpers.it sits somewhere in the gray area, not entirely fake, but not flawlessly reliable either. If you're planning to buy, proceed with caution, check authentic reviews, and make sure you're shopping from the brand's verified website before spending your money.